This video we will see the product review of boAt Rockerz 255 Pro Plus. The boAt Rockerz 255 Pro Plus is a wireless Bluetooth neckband earphone with enhanced features. This headphone is known for its long battery life, fast charging, and waterproof design. This model also supports the new technologies like Google Fast Pair and boAt Hearables app for more personalized experience. If you want to buy this earphone, check the link in the video description. Now we will see the product features. This headphone offers up to 60 hours of playback on a full charge, which is excellent for long-term use without frequent recharging. With as soon as possible fast charging, you can get 20 hours of playback with just 10 minutes of charging. This is a major upgrade in this earphone. This earphone supports Bluetooth version 5.2, which offers better connectivity, faster pairing, and more stable audio streaming compared to older Bluetooth versions. This earphone supports Google Fast Pair. With Google Fast Pair, connecting the earphones to Android devices becomes quicker and easier. This earphone supports boAt Hearables app. Using this app, users can adjust sound settings and get firmware updates for the customized experience. This earphone supports dual pairing. You can connect this neckband to two devices simultaneously. So you can easily switch between devices like smartphone and laptop. This earphone has IPX7 waterproof rating, which means the earphones are water and sweat resistant, making them ideal for workouts and outdoor activities. This headphone has magnetic earbuds. The magnetic design helps keep the earbuds together when not in use, which prevents tangling. Now we will see audio quality of this earphone. This earphone has 10 mm dynamic drivers. So the earphones deliver clear audio with powerful bass and provides an immersive listening experience. Users have praised strong bass and overall audio performance, especially for music with heavy beats. This earphone lacks noise cancellation and has a bass heavy sound profile. It is still great value for money option for people who enjoy bass rich music and need a reliable and durable product. When you unbox, you will find boAt Rockerz 255 Pro Plus neckband, USB Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips of different sizes for comfort, user manual and warranty card. The packaging is sleek and the neckband feels sturdy and lightweight upon unboxing. Now we will see the technical details. Bluetooth version is 5.2. Battery capacity lasts up to 60 hours. Playback time is up to 60 hours. Charging time is around 1.5 hours for a full charge. ASAP charge, which means 20 hours playback with 10 minutes of charge. Water resistant. This earphone has IPX7 rating, which means water and sweat resistant. And this earphone has 10 mm dynamic drivers. And it supports dual pairing, Google Fast Pair, hearable app support. Charging port is USB Type-C. Weight is approximately 26 gram. Now we will see what are the pros and cons of this earphone. First we will see the pros. Long battery life. The 60-hour playback time is excellent for users who don't want to charge their earphones frequently. Fast charging. ASAP charging provides up to 20 hours of playback time in just 10 minutes. IPX7 waterproof. Water resistant design make the earphone perfect for sports and outdoor activities. This earphone support Bluetooth version 5.2 for faster connectivity and stable audio. This earphone support Google Fast Pair, which makes pairing with Android devices super quick. This earphone support Hearable app, Using that, we can customize sound settings and get firmware updates. This earphone supports dual pairing, so we can easily switch between devices without needing to reconnect. Now we will see cons of this earphone. This earphone lacks active noise cancellation, which some users might miss in noisy environments. The build quality of this earphone is mostly plastic, which may feel less premium than metal options. Now we will see the price of this earphone. In India, the price is 1799 to 2299, and in US it is around 22 to $28, and price can vary based on retailer and any sales or discounts available. Now we will see customer positive feedback. Many customers love the long battery life, especially the ability to get 20 hours of use from just 10 minutes of charge. Users have praised strong bass and overall audio performance, especially for music with heavy beats. The lightweight design and ear tips make it comfortable to wear for a long periods. This earphone supports quick pairing. Google Fast Pair makes pairing with Android phones almost instant, which users find very convenient. Waterproof feature. The IPX7 rating is a favorite among fitness enthusiasts as it works well during workouts and rainy days. The IPX7 rating means the earphones are water and sweat resistant, make them ideal for workouts and outdoor activities. The waterproof design contributes to overall durability of the product, making it suitable for various environments and activities. Now we will see the conclusion. The boAt Rockerz 255 Pro Plus is an impressive and affordable neckband earphone. This earphone stands out for its 60-hour battery life, fast charging, and waterproof design, making it perfect choice for those who are constantly on the move. With additional features like Bluetooth version 5.2, Google Fast Pair, and boAt hearable app support, this earphone is not just about long battery life, but also offers modern convenience. Although it lacks noise cancellation and it has bass heavy sound profile, and it is still great value for money option for people who enjoy bass rich music and need a reliable and durable product. This earphone is ideal for fitness enthusiastic, music lovers, and anyone looking for budget friendly wireless earphones with powerful performance.